Sunset. Okay, and in between, I will try to explain us some examples. Okay, simple program. Okay, how to write any addition program or subtraction program or moving uh, numbers from one location to another location, or how to input any values in the program. Okay, from any address, from any registers, how we can insert, how we can take the inputs. Okay, but before that, I will start with the instruction set. Okay, as sir told you to now onwards, we'll take your attendance. Okay, so that we'll keep updating the ERP. Okay, on the regular basis. Okay, so you have to present throughout the class. Okay, throughout the lab, you have to present. Okay, so I'm sharing my PPT or the material. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So instruction set of 8085. Okay, I will explain different types of instructions. Okay, then we'll start writing. We'll try to write simple examples, simple programs. Okay, so instruction set. So an instruction is a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific functions. So entire group of instruction that a microprocessor supports is called instruction set. 8085 has 246 instructions. So these 246 instructions, we cannot say ki 246 instructions. Okay, sub instructions are there. Like sub instructions means the original. If you see, okay, we have add. Okay, suppose we have add instruction. Now PPT is visible because I am
Yes,
switching
sir.
from PPT to PDF. Okay, so if I'm saying add instruction, okay, so in this add instruction, number of sub instructions are there like add, ADI, ADC. Okay, similarly for sub instruction, okay, we have sub immediate, okay, and we have SBB, subtraction with borrow. So this add instruction, it means, so I told in the last class also, for all the logical arithmetic operations, one data must be in accumulator. Okay, so if I am writing add, so one data is in accumulator, and we can write any register. We can write A also. So A, B, C, D, E, H, L. We can write any instruction, any register here, so that the operation is the content of accumulator added with content of register B. If I am writing add B, okay, and result of this addition will stored in the accumulator itself by replacing the original value, okay, which was there in the beginning of this instruction. Okay, add B, content of accumulator plus content of B. If there is addition between these two, and the result will stored in the accumulator. This ADI, this is add immediate. Okay, I told you in the immediate addressing mode. Immediate means will give the data here. Okay, not any register value. So ADI 08, it means content of accumulator added with this data directly. Okay, this is immediate kind of. So this is the main instruction add. In this, three instructions are there. For sub, three instructions are there. Similarly for JMP, jump also. Okay, so many things are there. So this 246 includes this add, ADI, ADC, sub, SUI. Okay, but basically, if we talk about the main instructions, so that is I think 74 or 76. Okay, 74, the main instructions are there. Okay, but total instruction is 246. Okay, total instruction is 246. Okay, so 8085 has 246 instructions. So each instruction is represented by an 8-bit binary value that is called opcode or the instruction byte. Okay, opcode or instruction byte. This opcode will enter in the whether it is if we use software, so we'll enter this opcode, not the entire instructions like add b. Okay, we'll put the equivalent opcode of add b. Okay, then comes to the classification of instruction set. Okay, classification. This is important. Okay, we can categorize all the instructions in different ways, different parts like data transfer, arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, branching instruction, and control instruction. These are the classification of instructions. All the 246 instructions we can divide in these types. Okay, data transfer, arithmetic, logical, branching, and control. Okay, so we'll see one by one what are the instructions which comes under data transfer. Okay, what is meaning of data transfer? Anyone of you can say data transfer?
So like loading a number from a register from register B to the accumulator.
Okay, so data transferring from register to register or memory to register or register to memory, that comes under this one, data instruction. So several instructions are there in this one. Okay, so these instructions move data between registers or between memory and registers. Okay, these instructions copy data from source to destination while copying, because it is copy, not cut. Okay, while copying, the contents of source are not modified. Okay, so it means source to destination. Suppose I am writing, okay, suppose I am writing move. Suppose I am writing move B comma C. Okay, so the operation is anti-clockwise. So in general, we can write move. This B is what? This B is destination, and C register C is source. Okay, move RD comma RS. Okay, move RD comma RS from source to destination. Okay, B comma C, and in it is a copy. Okay, it means after this instruction, content of B and content of C both will be same. Okay, unless until we put some value in the register C. Okay, but after this instruction, content of register B and content of register C both will be same. Okay. So now moving to the instruction part, that is again see move RD comma RS, RD comma memory, yeah, destination register, or M comma RS. So it means either we can move from one register to another register, we can copy from one register to another register, or from memory to register, or from register to memory. Okay, these are the different types of move instructions. Okay, so this instruction copies the content of the source register into destination register. So the content of source register are not altered. Okay, if one of the operands in the memory location, its location is specified by the contents of the HL register. What it means? If one of the operand in the memory is a memory location, its location is specified by the contents of HL register. I will explain with the proper example. Okay. See, move B comma C, move B comma M, move M comma C. What is M here? Because nowhere till now I mentioned any register having a name is M. Okay, I talked about register B, C, D, E, H, L or accumulator. So what is this M? This M is nothing but the okay, suppose the instruction is move B comma M or move M comma B. So what is meaning of M here? This M, suppose I am writing LXIH 2400. Okay, LXIH 2400. So meaning of this instruction is this H is nothing but HL pair. Okay, this H is HL pair. So this HL pair, okay, this register pair HL will store this value 2400, which is ultimately address. Okay, so for storing any address, we are using register pair, HL pair or BC pair or DE pair. So we can write LXIH, LXIB, LXID. Okay, so for storing address, we can use register pair, and we have three registers pair. Okay, so this M specifies the content of this location. Okay, content of this location, which is in HL pair. Okay, and remember, this is very important, very important. We cannot say M when the address is stored in either BC register pair or DE register pair. Okay, if I am storing LXIH 2400, so after that only we can use this M. M specifies the content which is at this location. Okay, at location 2400. If I am using LXID 2400, so after this we cannot use M. So M is valid only when the address is stored in HL pair. Remember this, because we'll use this concept, okay, several times in our program. Okay, LXIH 2400. So whatever the content at location 2400. Okay, content. This content is what? This content is 8-bit value. Okay, this is M. So it means move B comma M. And you all know register B can store maximum 8 bits. तो ऐसे भी compatibility भी देखो. So M must be of 8 bits. Okay, we cannot move 16-bit value in a register B, single register B. That is invalid. Okay, move B comma M. M specifies the content of the address which is stored in HL pair, not in DE register pair, not in BC register pair. Okay, clear? This you have to remember, this concept. Okay, so we can, if I am writing move B comma M, so M specified the content of address which is stored in HL pair only. See mentioned here also, its location is specified by the contents of HL registers. Then comes the next instruction, that is MVI. Okay, so any query in move? Maybe नहीं होगा अभी, okay, जब प्रोग्राम करेंगे तो दिक्कत होगा. Okay, but move, in case of move, remember this, between two registers, between memory to register or register to memory. Okay, and if we are using registers, it means we can move only 8-bit values. Okay, check the compatibility of instructions also. Okay, then comes next instruction, that is MVI. MVI, so it means destination register RD minus RD comma data or M comma data, means move immediately 8-bit value. Okay, MVI. This we have MVI any register, destination register, comma some data. Okay, or MVI M comma some data. Okay, it means the instructions like MVI B comma 06, MVI D comma 07, like that. MVI M comma 09H, all are hexadecimal values. Okay, so this is the move immediate. Okay, earlier it is move only. Okay, move B comma C. Okay, but in this it is MVI RD comma data or MVI M comma data. Okay, MVI B06, MVI D 07, M09, any values. Okay, so 8-bit data is stored in the destination register or memory. If the operand is a memory location, again HL register pair. Okay, so MVI A 57H, MVI M 57H, and for all the instructions, whether it is MVI A, MVI B, MVI M, MVI C, the different opcodes is there. Okay, so we have to enter the opcode. Suppose MVI A 57H. So opcode for MVI A is 3E. Okay, so in the program, and this instruction is example of 2 bytes. Okay, because for storing we require 2 addresses. Okay, MVI A 57, opcode for MVI A is 3E. So at one location we will store 3E, in the next location we will store 57. Okay, this is example of 2 byte instruction. MVI, similarly MVIM, some opcode is there. Okay, then comes LXI. Okay, LXI is register pair and 16-bit data. This register pair, it may be HL, it may be DE, it may be BC. Okay, so if register pair is there, the operand it should be of 16 bits. Okay, so the load register pair immediately. I is there in the instruction, so we can say it is of immediate kind, immediate addressing mode. So this instruction loads 16-bit data in the register pair. LXIS 2034. Okay, so while executing this LXIS 2034, LXI 2034H. Okay, so LXI H2304. It means the HL pair will store the general instruction is LXI register pair 16-bit value or 16-bit data. Okay, so HL will store this value. This is in case of 8085 we can say an address. So this HL is higher order register, L is lower order register. Similarly in BC, B is higher order, C is of lower order. In DE, D is higher order, E is lower order. So the instruction is like LXI H, some 16-bit value, LXI D, 16 bits value, then B, okay, 16-bit value. So LXI H2034, it means this 20, okay, H will store 20, L will store 34 individually. Okay, because register H or L can store 8 bits value, but in register pair we can represent 2034 as an एड्रेस. ओके, इफ रिक्वायर हम लोग डाटा भी ले सकते हैं अगर किसी इंस्ट्रक्शन में जरूरत पड़ा. दैट ऑल्सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन विथ प्रॉपर एग्जांपल. ओके, सो LXI 16 bit, LXI D, this D is DE, B is BC. Okay, so this is the load immediate. Again, this is a transfer, data transfer type instruction. Okay. Now LXI is 2034. Then we have LDA. Okay, LDA 16-bit address. Okay, LDA 16-bit address. The next is LDA 16-bit address. Okay, so this LDA, suppose instruction is LDA 2000. Okay, it means load the content of accumulator to the specified address. Okay, this 2000 in this case is address where the content of accumulator will move. Okay, or we are loading the content of accumulator to this specified location. This location is specified here. Okay, then comes STA 2400. Suppose, so it means this. Okay, something wrong. क्या गलत है हर्ष? हमने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था ये इंस्ट्रक्शन.
सर आइडिया नहीं है सर.
लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था. Okay, this LDA, just opposite, it is loading. Okay, it means from the specified address to the accumulator. Okay, then this is a store, STA, store the content of accumulator to the specified address. Okay, I explained in the direct type addressing mode also. Okay, STA and LDA. Okay, LDA and STA, and this will help us. Suppose in the program, in the problem statement, it is there कि you have to perform or you have to find the number of ones of any number. Okay, you have to find the number of ones of any number. So how to get that number? Okay, for that we have two methods. Okay, either we can directly move that number, suppose 66, to this register B or to accumulator or any other register. This is one of the way. Through program we can feed, we can store that number into the register, or we can use this instructions also, LDA 2400. Okay, so while executing we have to give this 66 at this location. Okay, so that this 66 will come to the accumulator. Okay, so these are the two ways. I will explain with an example also with proper statement. Okay, MVI B66, this is one of the way. This number will move to register B or register A, accumulator, or D. Okay, similarly LDA 2400. So this 2400 we have to store with 66. Then this, after this instruction, this 66 will move to the accumulator. Okay. So the content of a memory location specified by a 16-bit address in the operand are copied to the accumulator. Okay, load accumulator. The content of the source are not altered. Again, we are copying. Okay, not cut. Okay, copy operation is there. So the content of source, it means the 2034, whatever value is there, that will not altered. वो वहाँ 66 वहाँ भी रहेगा. Okay, and the same number will move to the accumulator. Okay, that is LDA. Then comes LDAX. Okay, LDAX, load accumulator indirect. Why indirect? Because in this no direct address is mentioned. Okay, no direct address is mentioned. Remember this. Okay, so while the instruction related to this one is LDAX B, LDAX D. Okay, this instruction copies the content of that memory location into the accumulator. Okay, suppose the instruction is LDAXB. Okay, this is example of indirect. Okay, अभी तक हमने क्या किया था? LDA2400. This is direct. We are pointing out, we are specifying the address. This is LDAXB. X is there, it means that is related with 16-bit operations in any instruction. Okay, if X is there in instruction, it means that is involved in the 16-bit operation. So LDAXB, this B is nothing but the BC register pair. Okay, so the working of this instruction is that the whatever the address, okay, stored in BC register pair, so the content of that address will move to accumulator. कैसे लिखेंगे प्रोग्राम में? Suppose first instruction is LXIB 2400. Okay, so meaning of this instruction is that in the register pair BC we are storing this address. Okay, after this LDAXB. Okay, after this the instruction is LDAXB. It means whatever the value at this address, remember this, not with this value 2400. Okay, ये move नहीं होगा, ये copy नहीं होगा. The content of this address, okay, we have different addresses, okay, 01, 02, 03, and at each address we can store maximum of 8-bit number. Okay, so whatever the value stored, suppose 76, not 76, 80 is there. So that 80 will move to the accumulator. Okay, after this instruction. Any confusion? LXIB 2400 LDAXB. Any confusion? Anyone?
सर यहाँ पर 80 वैल्यू 2400 में स्टोर होगा ना पहले?
फिर से बोलो. A की वैल्यू?
No sir, 80 is the data, no sir? Or
yeah, 80 is the data, and we have to store this 80 manually at this location. Okay.
Yes sir, yes.
Then after this instruction, this value will move to accumulator. तो आप लोग सोचोगे इतना करने की क्या जरूरत है? डायरेक्टली हम लिखेंगे MVI A80. The same thing. Okay, but this may depend on the problem statement. अगर problem statement में ही mention हो कि you have to take data from this location, okay, from 2400 only, तो वहां पे ये instruction काम नहीं आएगा. Okay, you have to use these two instructions. Equivalent, you can say if nothing is mentioned, no need to do this one. We can directly write MVIA 80 because result is same here also. A is 80, A is 80. Okay, so we have LDA, some address, LDAX, register pair. Okay, this is the complete instruction. सिर्फ LDA कोई instruction नहीं है. LDA with address, LDX with register pair. Similarly, we have STA, some address, and STAX with register pair. Okay, this is the other register, sorry, other instruction. STA, you understand? This STA means STA, suppose STA 2400. Okay, it means this value of accumulator will move to the specified address. Okay, similarly STAXB. Okay, it means the content of accumulator will move to the address which is stored in this pair. Okay, register pair BC में जो address है, okay, at this address the content of accumulator will move. Okay, so don't confuse with the address. Okay, for execution of this LDA or STA, LDAX, STX, we are talking about the content of that address. Okay, content of that address. Okay. LDXB, then comes LHLD. Okay, this is again example related with the 16 instruction related with 16-bit address. Okay, LHLD, 16-bit address, load HL register directly. Okay, this instruction copies the content of memory location. Listen carefully or read carefully. This instruction copies the contents of memory location pointed out by 16-bit address into register L. Okay, it copies the content of next memory location into register H. Okay, LHLD 16-bit address. Address is mentioned, so again it is example of direct addressing mode. क्योंकि हमने एड्रेस मेंशन किया वहां पे 2040. Okay, and working of this is that this instruction LHLD copies the content of memory location pointed out by 16-bit address means 2040 into register L. This is lower address. The data of lower address will move to the lower register, register L. It copies the contents of next memory location 2041. Okay, 2041. Content of 2041 will move to the H register. Okay, LHLD 16-bit. LHLD to not. It will again. I am mentioning this one. It is not related with or not. There is no role of this 2040 in moving to H or L. Okay, the content of this address 2040, content of 2040 will move to register L and 2041 will move to register H. Okay, is it clear? LHLD 2040. LHLD, any number, suppose 3000, this address. Okay, so LHLD, it means the content of this location 3000 will move to register L and content of the next location that will move to register H. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि 3000 मूव हो जाएगा L में या 3001 मूव होगा H में. That is invalid. क्यों invalid है? Anyone? Can we move 3000 to register L? बोलो, नहीं तो इतना मेरा बोलना बेकार है अभी. Can we move 3000 to register L? Or can we move 2000 to register L? Yes or no? Forget about this instruction. In general, can we move 2000 to register L?
No, no sir.
क्यों?
सर 8 बिट होना चाहिए.
8 बिट होना चाहिए. करेक्ट, 8 बिट होना चाहिए. Register L can store maximum 8 bits, but this is of 16 bits. Okay, so in this case, the content of this location will move to register L. Content of next location will move to register H. Okay. That is LHLD 2040. Similarly, we have SHLD. Okay, अभी तक हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं LDA, LDAX, then LHLD. Now comes the STA. Okay, the content of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. Okay, store accumulator direct. Okay, store accumulator direct means accumulator content will move to the specified address, direct addressing mode. Okay, we are mentioning address. Okay, STA 2500 जो भी कंटेंट है accumulator का वो मूव करेगा कहाँ पे 2500 लोकेशन पे. Okay, don't confuse with the this data and address. This accumulator can store 8-bit value, so this value will move to this location 2500 जो भी mention है instruction में. Okay, then we have stacks. Okay, stacks B, stacks D, like that. The content of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the contents of the register pair. Okay, the content of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the contents of the register pair. Stacks B, तो रजिस्टर पेयर BC वहां पे जो एड्रेस है उस एड्रेस पे एक्यूमुलेटर की वैल्यू मूव कर जाएगी. ओके, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटर विल सेम, वो चेंज नहीं होगा, वो अल्टर नहीं होगा. ओके, स्टैक्स B, stacks B, whose example is stacks B. So this B is what? Okay, so the program, small program, or how to use this, the same example, LXIB 2400 stacks B. Okay, then halt. Suppose this is the program. So what is meaning of this? The register pair BC, in the register pair BC, we are storing 2400. This address we are storing in the register pair BC, and after this instruction stacks B, एक और लाइन जोड़ लो, MVI A00. Okay, MVI A00 LXIB 2400 stacks B halt. Okay, what is the value at this location 2400? क्या होगा? You have MVI A00 LXIB 2400 stacks B halt. बताओ.
तो 00
00 होना चाहिए. MVI A FFH LXIB 2300H stacks B, then halt. Okay, what is value of accumulator? What is value at this location? What is value of accumulator after execution of this instruction? FF. What is the value at this location 2300? FF. Okay, so how to use the instruction, that also important. You have the logic, I know. Okay, logic आप लोग को समझ में आएगा, but how to implement that? Okay, with the help of instruction sets. Okay, so we can understand with the help of this instruction कि how this stacks instruction is working. Okay, then comes SHLD. Okay, SHLD 16-bit address, store HL register direct. Now read carefully. The content of register L. See, content of register L just opposite of LHLD. The content of register L are stored into memory location specified by the 16-bit address. The content of register H are stored into the next memory location. Okay, SHLD 2500. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है ये? एक एग्जांपल दें इसका भी. First read carefully this. The content of register L are stored into memory location specified by the 16-bit address. The content of register H are stored into the next memory location, that is SHLD 2500. चलो एक एग्जांपल करो इससे भी. Okay, suppose LXIH 3456. Okay, any address is there. Okay, this is random. Okay. After that, I am writing SHLD H. Then halt. कोई बता सकता है ये? ट्राई करो, क्या होगा? What is the meaning of this instruction here? पहले इसका बताओ. LXIH 3456, what it means?
Sir, the value at the address 3456 will be stored at HL register.
नहीं, फिर से आप सोचो. हर्ष, क्या बोले हो आप? Because whatever you said, that is not compatible.
The 34 memory address में कब?
Not clear. Repeat once again.
Hello.
Yes.
The 34 will be copied to the memory address.
44, 34.
34.
Okay, 34. Then
And the content 56 will be copied to the memory to the previous memory address.
तो एक बार फिर से पढ़ो. The content of register L are stored into memory location specified by the 16-bit address. एड्रेस क्या हमने मेंशन किया? 3456. ओके. कंटेंट ऑफ रजिस्टर L इज व्हाट? एक मिनट रुक जाओ. दिस okay. This according to that instruction, this is you can say 3000. This is direct one. SHLD 3000. In the example, it is there SHLD 3000H. Okay, the content of register L are copied into memory location specified by the 16-bit address. रजिस्टर L का कंटेंट क्या है इन इंस्ट्रक्शन में?
Sir, 00.
नहीं, 00 नहीं है. कैसे 0?
56 है ना?
56.
हाँ. See here, this HL LXI H 3456 means H having 34, L having 56. Okay, so according to this instruction SHLD 3000, so 3000 will store the content of L, which is 56. Okay. See, the content of register L are stored into memory location. Content of H stored into the next memory location. So if I am mentioning 3000, so 3000 will store the content of L register. 3001 will store the content of H register. Okay, अभी clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now moving to the next one. That is exchange. Okay, exchange. XCHG means exchange HL with DE. The content of register H are exchanged with the content of register D. The content of L exchanged with content of register E. Higher order register higher order के साथ exchange होगा H and D. L और E lower order है तो वो आपस में exchange होगा. Now how to use this? Okay, how to use this? In this only written exchange. So how to use this? For this, okay. Suppose we have LXIH 1 2 3 4 tough नहीं तो simple सा 2000. Then we have LXID okay, LXID okay, then we have this instruction, then halt. Now tell me the result. After execution of this instruction, what is the value of H and L? What are the values for register L and H? क्या होगा रजिस्टर H में? 12. Register L 34. Yeah, correct. Similarly, register D
78.
I क्यों 78? 56. Register E 78. Okay. Now exchange, and according to this instruction, content of register H. Okay, content of register H will exchanged with content of register D. Okay, तो अभी क्या होगा? H का कंटेंट क्या हो जाएगा? 56. D का कंटेंट 12. Okay, similarly, content of L is 78 and content of E become 34. After this instruction, okay, so in the beginning of this program, okay, the address of HL pair is 1 2 3 4, but after the execution of this program, this address changed to 5 6 7 8. नहीं sorry, कितना हो जाएगा? Yes, 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it means the address location, okay, location is changed for HL and DE. Initially for DE we have 5 6 7 8, but after execution of this instruction it become 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the way how we can use and how to understand the functioning of this exchange. Okay, exchange means the content of register H are exchanged with the content of register D. This you have to remember. LXI H में क्या होगा, LXI D में क्या होगा? Now you understood, all of you. Okay, so that is exchange. So this is all about the data transferring. Okay, so in the data transfer we have seen okay, in the data transfer instructions we have seen how many instructions, like move, MVI, then कोई मिस होगा तो बताना आप लोग, LDAX, then LHLD, STA, STAX, SHLD, then change. और कोई मिसिंग है? Any instruction?
LDXI.
LXI.
LXI, sir.
LXI. Okay, so any confusion in these instructions? Because these instructions are very much important. These are basic instructions, data transferring. Okay, move, MVI, LXI, LDA, LDAX, LHLD, STA, STAX, SHLD, and exchange. Okay, any confusion in any instruction? बोलो, 4-5 लोग ही रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हो, बाकी मुझे मत फोर्स करो कि मैं नाम लेके बुलाऊं। नाम मुझे सबका पता है, सबका याद भी है। So no confusion till now. Okay. Okay, now moving to the next classification, that is arithmetic instructions. Okay, so these instructions perform the operations like addition, subtraction, increment, decrement. Okay, I already explained we cannot perform multiplication and division using 8085. Okay, for doing a multiplication we have to perform repetitive addition. रिपीटेटिव एडिशन का मतलब सपोज मुझे करना है 2 into 4. Okay, so 2 into 4 we can store 4 as a counter. Okay, we can take 2 as a number और एक लूप चलाएंगे। okay, कब तक? जब तक कि वो काउंटर वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो जाए। okay, हम लूप में एडिशन को डालेंगे और लूप चलाएंगे तो क्या होगा? 2 plus 2 काउंटर वैल्यू डिक्रीज टू 3. Okay, so result is 4. Again 4 plus 2 and the counter value decrease to 2, then decrease to 1. So by doing this method, by following this method, we can perform the multiplication. Okay, we can take one value as a counter. Similarly for division also. Okay, 16 we have to divide 16 by 4. Okay, so we will subtract 4 from the 16. Okay, और इसमें तो कोई काउंटर मुझे पता ही नहीं है। Okay, so in this we'll check the result. कब ये 0 हो रहा है? Okay, जैसे ही 0 आएगा we'll stop the or we'll jump to the result location. Okay, that is repetitive subtraction. Then comes increment. Increment means increase the value by 1. So we can increase the value of data or value of address. Okay, or address location. We can increase both, but by 1. Okay, by 1. Similarly, we can decrement any data by 1 or any address location by 1. So these 4 types of instructions, addition, 4 types of operations we can perform in the arithmetic operation: addition, subtraction, increment, and decrement. Okay, so start with the addition. Any 8-bit number or the contents of register or the contents of memory location can be added to the content of accumulator. Okay, because again I am saying one number must be in accumulator. Okay, so तो एक नंबर accumulator में है, अब दूसरा नंबर कहाँ हो सकता है? Either in register pair, sorry, in any register, single register, or at any memory location. Okay, so we can store the content of accumulator. We can add content of accumulator with content of any other register A, B, C, D, E, H, L, M. M is memory location, and M stands for the value which is stored in the register pair. Okay, address which is stored in the HL pair only, not register pair D or B. Okay, so the result or sum is stored in the accumulator by replacing the original value in value. वो चला जाएगा. We cannot retrieve that. अगर हमने उसको store नहीं किया, so we cannot retrieve that value. Okay, so while programming you have to careful. अगर किसी प्रोग्राम में ओरिजिनल वैल्यू की जरूरत है, सपोज आप को फाइंड आउट करना है नंबर ऑफ वंस. आप अगर रोटेट कर रहे हो, तो अगर आपने एक्यूमुलेटर को कहीं स्टोर नहीं किया, तो यू विल लॉस्ट योर ओरिजिनल वैल्यू, क्योंकि रोटेशन के बाद वो क्या होगा, द रिजल्टेंट नंबर विल स्टोर्ड इन द एक्यूमुलेटर, so you have to take care. Okay, so the result is stored in the accumulator. No other two 8-bit registers can be added directly. It means we cannot write add B, C. Okay, हमेशा क्या लिखेंगे, add B or add C. We cannot write add B, C. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Arithmetic instructions. So in this, we can perform addition, we can perform subtraction, we can perform increment, we can perform decrement. Okay, so one number must be in accumulator. Always remember this. We can write add B, we can write add C, or we can write add M also. We can write add A also. Okay, and instructions, there is a separate opcode which we have to enter in the memory location. Okay, whether we'll use software or hardware or the kit 8085 kit. लेकिन आप लोग को ये opcode याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can take help of the opcode sheet. No need to remember the opcode of these things. Add B is 80, add C is 81. Okay, add M is 86. No need to remember those things. Okay, so this is the valid instruction. We cannot write add B, C. It is not a valid instruction. We cannot write add A. Nahi. Okay, because one number is already in accumulator. Okay, be careful. Okay. So that is the addition. Okay, now several sub instructions are there. Okay, यहाँ पे subtraction है. चलो उसी अकॉर्डिंग बढ़ते हैं. So subtraction, any 8-bit number or content of registers or the content of memory location can be subtracted from the content of accumulator. The result is stored in accumulator, same as in case of addition. By replacing the initial value, the result will stored in the accumulator. Okay, now subtraction is performed in 2's complement form. Okay, so if result is negative, it is form, because there is no indicating minus sign. Okay, this you have studied in your digital part, how to find the 2's complement. Okay, or the subtraction using 2's complement method. Okay, so if result is negative, suppose your operation is 5 minus 9. Okay, so the value 5 is in accumulator. Okay, value 9 in any register. Suppose your instruction is sub. B. 5 minus 9, that is minus. Okay, but how to represent, how the result will play on your screen or on your software? That is in 2's complement form. Okay, that is in 2's complement form. So rephrase that part also, the subtraction using 2's complement. Okay. So no other two 8-bit register can be subtracted directly. We cannot write sub B comma C, sub B comma M, sub B comma A, because one number must be in accumulator. Okay, this is addition, subtraction. Now comes increment or decrement. Okay, so the 8-bit contents of a register or a memory location can be incremented or decremented by 1. The 16-bit contents of register pair can be incremented or decremented by 1. Increment, decrement can be performed on any register or memory location. Okay, the same thing I explained, 8-bit register value or 16-bit memory location, that can be incremented or decremented by a value of 1, not by 2, 3, 4, 5, by 1. Okay, अगर हम एक इंक्रीमेंट दे रहे हैं तो एक से ही इंक्रीज होगा. अगर हमने 2 बार लिखा इंक्रीमेंट तो वो 1 + 1 2 टाइम्स होगा. Okay, now comes to the instruction part. Add R or add M. Okay, add register or memory to accumulator. Okay, the contents of register or memory are added to the contents of accumulator, result stored in accumulator. Okay, if the memory location is address is specified by the HL pair, all flags are modified to reflect the result of the addition. Again, a new thing, because in the move instruction, okay, no flags are affected. Maybe in the move instructions, no flags are affected. Okay, now in this one, okay, carefully, we have different things, add R, add M. Okay, instruction written here, add B or add M. So if the operand is memory location, its address is specified by HL pair. Okay, now how to use this? How to? So we have in the addition, add B, add M. Okay, so add B. Suppose you have to perform 2 + 4. Okay, 2 plus both are in hexadecimal. तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक नंबर को हम मूव करेंगे एक्यूमुलेटर में. okay, रजिस्टर बी में, बिकॉज हम लोग को यूज करना है एड बी. ओके, सो हाउ टू मूव दिस वैल्यू 2 इन एक्यूमुलेटर. क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन होगा उसके लिए, हाउ टू मूव? इसके पहले हमने एक्सप्लेन किया है. MVIA-FF. We can write MVIA-02. Similarly, we can write MVIB-04. Okay, then we can write add B. Okay, then we can write STA2400, then halt. Okay, this is the program, okay, for addition of two 8-bit number. Okay, two 8-bit, 2 + 4. Okay, so in the program itself हमने दोनों नंबर को मेंशन किया. Okay, in accumulator we are storing 2, in the register B we are storing 4. Add B is okay, any one of you tell me the value of accumulator after this instruction.
Sir, 02.
02. Okay. So accumulator having 02, register B content
04, sir.
04. Add B. Add B means what? Content of A plus content of B. It means 02 plus 04, which is 06. So after this instruction, the content of accumulator is 06, not 02. Okay. The result of this addition, okay, the value of accumulator is changed. Now it is showing result of 2 plus 4. Okay, so add B, हमारे पास accumulator की value आ गई 6. What is the value of at this location? 2400. Value of
Sir, 06.
Sir, 6.
06.
06, sir. 06.
Yes, 06. Okay, so either if we have the facility, we can cross check the content of accumulator. That is called debugging. Okay, step by step execution. If we have the facility, we can cross check the content of registers after each instruction. Okay, so after this instruction, accumulator में दिखेगा 2, register B में दिखेगा 4, but after this instruction, the accumulator will show 06. Okay, and at this we can also check the content of any memory location. Okay, that is 06. STA 2400 halt. Okay, so in SAP 1, I think आपने पढ़ा होगा डिजिटल में, in SAP 1 there is no STA. Okay, so वहां पे था out to any port address. Okay, so we have to check at that port address ki whether result is displaying there or not. Okay, so before 8085 we have SAP 1, SAP 2, SAP 3. Okay, that is the gradual advancement of this processor 8085, the basic processor. Okay, for the understanding purpose of the students only. Okay, nowadays so many processors are there, but वो काम कैसे कर रहा है? That's why this subject or this lab is there. Okay, SAP 1, SAP 2, SAP 3, then comes this 8085, then comes 8086, then 286, 386, 486, okay, 80486, then comes Pentium. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, अभी तो बहुत सारा processors है. Okay, but this is the gradual advancement. SAP 1, SAP 2, SAP 3. कि ऐसा नहीं है ना कि हम एकदम स्टार्ट से ही विदाउट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग पेंटियम 4 आ गया. Okay, so many processors are there, but this is the gradual advancement. Again I am saying, so in the beginning this instruction was not there. Okay, stack operation was so many advanced, so many additions in SAP 1, SAP 2, SAP 3. Then comes the actual architecture of 8085. Okay, so this is the instruction. Okay, add B. How to use this add B? Now how to use this add M? Okay, how to use this? Okay, we have MVI A 06H. Okay, then LXI H 2400H, then add M, then STA 2400, then halt. Is it correct? Add M means we are adding content of accumulator and content of M. This M is nothing but content which is stored at this location 2400. Okay, not 2400. उस लोकेशन पे जो वैल्यू है, जो डाटा है 2400 पे जो डाटा है, that is M. Okay. So we are not knowing कि वहां पे क्या है. That manually we have to put some value at this location. Okay, manually we have to put some location. हम प्रोग्राम के थ्रू कर सकते हैं या नहीं? Because we have studied the data transfer instructions. कि आप लोग करके देखना. Okay, can we use LDAX? MVI be some value LDAX, then move. Okay, this is the direct one. Okay, LXIH 2400. Okay, this at this location we have to enter manually some value so that that value will add to this number 6. This is the method of add m. Okay. Suppose आपने लिखा MVIA, just I am taking MVIA 06H. Not possible right now because the stacks B, then we cannot move that number to M. Okay. So this is the functioning of add M. Okay, we have to enter manually some value at this location. That is M. Okay, and this is add B or add C, add D. अगर ये add C होता, then यहाँ पे क्या लिखते हैं? MVIC 04 add C. Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
So add B or add M. Similarly, we have ADC, ADCR, ADCM. Okay, read this. Okay, in ADC, suppose your instruction is ADCB. Okay. Your instruction is ADCB. ADCB. It means what? Means content of accumulator plus content of register B plus value of carry flag. Okay, value of your carry flag. Okay, this C is your carry. This C stands for carry. ADCB. Okay. Earlier add B means A plus B. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Content of accumulator plus register B, content of register B plus value of carry flag. Now how to check this value? Okay, if you are using this instruction ADC or if you are using carry flag, okay, for your addition or the subtraction, because there is no borrow flag. Okay, for the subtraction the same flag is used as borrow flag. Okay, so this ADCB, accumulator plus register B plus value of that carry flag. Okay, but we don't know what is the value of this. Okay, and this will change. The status of this flag will change in the arithmetic operation, in the addition or subtraction. So whatever the previous instruction, okay, accordingly that will affect the addition of this one. Okay, so in the beginning, because when we start the system, we don't know ki what is the status of this flag. Okay, so for that, if I remember, one instruction is there, that is CMC, that is complement carry. Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, CMC is there, that I remember. CMC will complement the carry. Okay, so again, if carry is 1, then it will change carry to 0. If carry is 0, then it will change to 1. So again, this will not solve our problem. So before using this instruction, okay, I will tell you, we have to use two instructions. One is CMC, then okay, I'm not remembering. Okay. But the function of this ADCB is accumulator plus register B plus value of carry flag. This you have to remember, this part. Okay, and we can perform just like add, we can perform ADCM. Okay, so if we are performing ADCM, it means content of accumulator plus value of M plus value of carry flag. Okay, here also all flags are modified to reflect the result of the addition. All flags means sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag and parity flag. Okay, all flags can be modified or it may possible कि कोई भी flag modify नहीं हो. Okay, depending on the values or depending on the arithmetic operations. Okay, and if you are using memory location, always remember address specified by the HL pair only, not by DE pair or BC pair. Okay, that is ADC. Next is ADI. Okay, ADI 8-bit data, so straightforward. Okay, add immediate to accumulator. The 8-bit data is added to the content of accumulator. Result is stored in the accumulator. All flags are modified to reflect the result of addition. ADI 45. Okay, it means this 45 is added to the content of accumulator. Okay, added to the content of accumulator, and result will stored in the accumulator by replacing the original value, initial value. Okay, that is the 3 addition instruction. Okay, then we have ACI. Okay, ADI is there, ACI is also there. So this add immediate to accumulator with carry. Okay, the 8-bit data and the carry flag are added to the content of accumulator. Okay, suppose you are writing ACI. Okay, you have add, you have ADC, you have ADI, you have ACI also. Okay, so after ACI, some data is there. Register is there, add B, ADC, register is there, ADI, data is there, right? So ACI, the meaning of ACI is content of accumulator plus the specified data plus the carry value, carry flag value. Okay, this is the meaning of ACI, and it may possible कि हम लोग को use करना पड़े कहीं ACI. Okay, depending on our application. नहीं use करेंगे then well and good, आपको नहीं समझना पड़ेगा ये ACI. Okay, but try to understand each and every instructions so that you can implement your logic based on the given instructions or the functioning of the instructions. If you are not knowing, you cannot use na. Okay, so ACI 8-bit data. So ACI 45. All flags are modified, results are stored in accumulator. ACI 45 means content of accumulator plus 45 plus value of carry. It may be 0, it may be 1. Okay, then comes DAD. Again, very interesting opcode or instruction. Okay, the 16-bit content of register pair are added to the content of HL pair. The result is stored in HL pair. If the result is larger than 16 bits, then carry flag is set. No other flags are changed. Okay, example is DAD B. In this one, remember the role of HL pair. The role of HL pair is similar to the role of accumulator. Okay, so after execution of this instruction DAD B, okay, The meaning of this instruction is that the 16-bit content of register pair are added with the content of HL pair. Okay, result will stored in HL pair only. कि जस्ट लाइक अगर हम लोग 8 बिट ऑपरेशन करते हैं तो वहां पे कहाँ स्टोर होता है एक्यूमुलेटर में इन दिस द रिजल्ट विल स्टोर्ड इन HL पेयर एंड इफ द रिजल्ट इज लार्जर देन 16 बिट्स then carry flag will set. Okay, it is not talking about the content of those locations, address locations. It is saying 16-bit contents. Okay, it is not talking about the content of that address. Okay, अब एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल अभी सोचते हैं, रुको. Okay, how to explain this to you? Okay, the instruction is that B. The instruction is that B. In this, the operation is that the content of HL. Okay, the content of HL will store to the content specified by the register pair. Means BC, and addition, after addition the result will stored in the HL pair by replacing the original value. Okay, by replacing the original value. Okay, so example, suppose you have to find out or you have to compare the income of two persons. Okay, income of two persons which is given in 16-bit number. Okay, so how to store that? Okay, अगर आपने store भी किया, so how to compare that? Okay, or you have to find out the population of a city for different months. Okay, so if that is given in 16-bit number, then we can use these instructions. Okay, so this dat B, suppose we have LXIH 2400H, LXIB 3000H, if we are applying dat B. Okay, what will be the value of HL after this instruction? Okay, it said the it is addition between the content of HL register and the content of the address specified by the register pair. Okay, and the result of this this addition will move to the register pair HL. Okay, so after this dat B, what will be the value of HL? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कोशिश कीजिए. नहीं समझ में आ रहा हो तो यू कैन आस्क. नहीं आ रहा है समझ में, हम आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन.
Sir, 5400.
5400. Okay, so this is the 16-bit contents of the register pair are added to the content of HL pair. Don't confuse, again saying don't confuse with the data stored at those locations. 2400 पे क्या है, 3000 पे क्या है, okay, वो मैटर नहीं कर रहा है. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 16 बिट कंटेंट्स ऑफ रजिस्टर पेयर, दैट इज व्हाट, एचएल पे वैल्यू था 2400, ओके, एडेड टू द कंटेंट्स ऑफ एचएल पेयर, रजिस्टर बी में हमने स्टोर किया 3000, ओके, सो द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस एडिशन इज 2400 plus 3000, that is 5400, that is the new value of HL pair 5400. Okay, so if result is more than 16 bit, then carry flag will set, no other flag will change. Okay, after execution of this instruction, dat B. Okay, so depending on your application, it may possible that you have to use this instruction also. Okay, then now comes to the subtraction part. Okay, similar to addition, sub R, sub M. Okay, sub R means sub, SUB, C, D, E, H, L, B, A, anything you can write. But the internal operation, okay, internal operation is, okay, now comes to the sub instruction. Okay, sub R or sub M. Okay, we cannot write sub B comma C, we cannot write. Okay, one number must be in accumulator, one number must be in accumulator, so we can write sub A, we can write sub B, C, D, H, L, okay, like that. What is the value for this sub A?
Sir,
क्या?
0.
0 होगा. Okay, because the internal operation of sub instruction is A minus given register. So in this case it is A minus A. So whatever the value of register A or whatever the value of accumulator, the result is always 0. Okay, result is always 0. So this is one of the way to clear the content of accumulator. Okay, अब accumulator का content क्यों clear करना पड़ रहा है? Because in the when we start the system, okay, we are uncertain about the accumulator content. Okay, that will store some garbage value. It may possible. So if we are using accumulator, okay, if you are not moving any values to accumulator, okay, suppose आपने लिखा LXI B और LXI H 2400 और आप कर रहे हो add M. Okay, so what is the value of accumulator here? We are not knowing because nowhere we mentioned the value of accumulator. So it will take the garbage value of the system. Okay, we cannot assume that accumulator value is 0 here. Okay, so this is one of the way sub A to clear the content of accumulator. Okay, clear the content of accumulator, right? Another instruction is MVI A00. We can perform this also. Okay, MVI A00. Okay, similarly अगर मुझे रजिस्टर C यूज करना है, so we can clear that also. Move C comma A. In A it is 00, that we are moving to register C. Okay, or we can directly write MVI C00 because we don't know, we are not sure ki the value of register C is 0 or not. Okay, suppose in some example, okay, or in many example of addition, you have to use the counter. Okay, you have to use any one register for the counter or for the carry purpose. Okay, suppose आपने C को initialize नहीं किया और आप बोल रहे हो in INR C, increment the content of C. Okay, without initializing this value, this register to 0 0. So some value will be there by default, garbage value will be there. Okay, in register C, तो वहां से एक increment हो जाएगा. So your whole program will wrong. Okay, so if you are not moving anything to registers and you are using, so make sure कि you have initialized those registers, whether it is accumulator or the register C or B or any register. Okay, this is sub R or sub M. The internal operation is if you are using sub B, so A minus B. Okay, A minus B. Then just like addition, okay, just like addition, we have sub, we have SUI, SBB, SBI is also there. Okay, because parallelly we have what? Add, ADI, ADC, ACI. Okay, so here also sub instruction SUI, SBB, SBI. Okay, so if you understand this addition, okay, the same thing with the subtraction. Okay, and you can see MBI A 08H, MBI B 02H, sub B STA 2400, then halt. Okay, what is the result of this at this location? What is the value at this location? 2400. क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
Sir, 6.
06.
06 होगा. ओके, एक्यूमुलेटर में 8 स्टोर है, बी में 2, सब बी, a minus b is performed internally and result of this a minus b is stored in accumulator by replacing this original value, and we are storing that value to 2400 location. So it means 06 is there. Okay, 06 is there. So this is about the sub instruction. Okay, then we have SBB, subtract register or memory from accumulator with borrow. Okay, subtract register or memory with accumulator from accumulator with borrow. Okay, if operand is memory location, address must be in HL pair. Remember this. Okay, for if you are using M, all flags are modified to reflect the result of subtraction. Okay, so SBB, it means what? आप लोग बताओ अभी. SBB, मतलब क्या है इसका?
B से जो कैरी फ्लैग का जो बोरो है वो कम हो जाएगा, सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा.
वैसे नहीं, the whole operation A minus register B content minus content of borrow flag, right? A minus B minus borrow or anything else. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, A minus B minus borrow. Then comes SUI. Okay, हमने mention किया SUI 06. It means content of accumulator minus 06. Okay, 8-bit data is subtracted from the content of accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator. All flags are modified. SUI 45, A minus 45, content of accumulator minus 45. Okay, then comes SBI, subtract immediate from accumulator with borrow. SBI 08. Okay, मान लो instruction है SBI 08. It means A content of accumulator minus 08 minus borrow flag, value of that flag. Okay, borrow flag is nothing but the value of carry flag. ठीक है, वो सेट हो जाएगा। तो कंटेंट ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटर माइनस 08 minus value of borrow flag. Okay, so all flags are modified to reflect the result of subtraction SBI 45 A minus 45 minus borrow. Okay, that is the addition and subtraction for the arithmetic operations. Okay, then comes increment and decrement. Very important instruction. Very, very important. Okay, you have to understand this. INR R or M. Increment register or memory by 1. The contents of register or memory location are incremented by 1. The result is stored in the same place. Okay, आपने किया INR B. INR B means the content of register B will increment by 1 and the incremented value will stored in register B only, there only. Okay, so if the operand is in memory location, its address is specified by the contents of HL pair. Okay, INR B और INR M. ठीक है, इसको एक बार देख लो. So any confusion in addition or subtraction? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Then we have INR B, INR M. Okay. How to use this? Okay. We have example. We have MVI B 07H LXI H 2400 at location 2400 we are storing 03H. Okay, then INR B, INR M, then hold. Okay, now tell me the value of H, value of L, value of B and value at location 2400 after execution of this instruction. Okay, this type of, not this much simple, okay, but this type of question will come to you if you go for the GATE or for the engineering service, okay, or any competitive exam. Okay, not this much simple, but the question will be there related with this 8085. Okay, instruction set. What is the value of H, L, B and 2400? Tell me the answer.
Sir, H is 24, L is 00. B is 07.
07 8 2400.
फिर से रिपीट करो आप लोग, सब करेक्ट नहीं है. Think carefully.
Sir, L00.
Sir, L will be 0, sir.
H 24 L00 ये करेक्ट है, नॉट 01, वो 0 ही होगा. रजिस्टर B, इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी?
08.
08. 7 क्यों होगा? वी आर परफॉर्मिंग INR B.
वो सब B वाला है ना, नहीं देखा.
Okay, INR B means what? B plus 1. Okay, 7 is there, means B plus 1 it become 8. What is value at 2400? Initially it is 03.
Sir, 04.
04 होगा और कुछ 03 ही रहेगा या कुछ और वैल्यू होगा?
04 ही होगा.
04. Okay, why? Because this 2400 content of this location which is 03 is nothing but M. Okay, so if we are doing INR M, it means M plus 1. So that is 04. वो वहीं स्टोर हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is the result of this instruction H24 L00 B08 and 2400. The content of the value of M is 4.
सर एक डाउट है सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर अगर हम लोग दो अलग अलग रजिस्टर्स में हम दो मेमोरी एड्रेस लोड कर रहे हैं
एग्जांपल
तो
बताओ.
सर
एग्जांपल बताओ.
सर सेम एग्जांपल में सर आप एक और एक रजिस्टर ऐड कर लीजिए MVI D09.
ठीक है, ऐड कर लिया MVI D09.
सर अब हम M07 को रेफर करेंगे या 09 को रेफर करेंगे?
M
यस सर.
M किसी को रेफर नहीं करेंगे. M किसको रेफर करेंगे? 2400 का जो कंटेंट है उसको.
यस सर.
ठीक है, कंफ्यूज नहीं हो. M क्या है? 2400 में जो कंटेंट है दैट इज M. दिस 09 इज व्हाट? कंटेंट
रजिस्टर
ऑफ
का कंटेंट.
D का कंटेंट है वो. 07 is
Yes.
value of register B. This M is content of this 2400 location.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear, Harsh?
Yes sir.
To all of you, is it clear? Okay. In the same
Yes sir.
example, okay, suppose I am saying DCRB and DCRM in place of INRB and INRM. Okay, I am writing DCRB and DCRM. Now tell me the value of B and 2400.
Sir, B will be 07.
ये छोड़ दो, ये छोड़ दो अभी, इसको नहीं रिलेट करना है. दिस प्रोग्राम, इन दिस प्रोग्राम
Sir, B will be 06.
06. Okay, and 2400
Sir, 02.
02. Okay, so DCRB means it will decrement the content of register B by 1. Okay, DCRM, it will decrement the content of this 2400 by 1, M minus 1. So 3 tha initially, now it become 2. Okay, so INRM, INRB, DCRB, DCRM, now it is clear, or any confusion is there?
Sir, clear sir.
और किन्हीं को confusion?
No sir.
Okay. So that is INRB or INRM. Now comes again very important instruction, that is INX. Okay, the content of register pair are incremented by 1. The result is stored in the same place. Example INX H. Okay, एक बार हम सारा दिखा देते हैं. INX R. Then we have DCR जो आप समझ चुके हो, DCR B, DCR M. Okay, then we have DCX. Okay, the content of register pair decremented by 1. Now we will do example. Okay. We have INX H. We have DCX H. Okay, till now you understand like INR B, INR M. This may be B, C, D, E, H, L, anything. Okay, then DCR B, DCR M. It means it will decrease the content of a specified register. Okay, content of a specified register by 1. Okay, now we have two more instructions which is again very important, that is INX H and DCX H. It means it will decrement the content of register pair. It is HL. Okay, so suppose I am writing LXI H 2400. Okay, चलो अभी time being कुछ और हम दे रहे हैं 2423H and I am using instruction INXH halt. Okay, tell me the new value of HL. In this instruction, after this instruction, okay, we can say the address stored is 2423. Okay, INXH, it will increment the content of register pair. It means it will be now 2424. Okay, nothing related with the value stored at this location or this location. It is related with the 16-bit values. Okay, 16 bits value 2423 we are storing initially using HL pair. If we are using INXH, it become 2424. Understood? Is not related with the content. क्या है 2423 पे doesn't matter. Okay, the address will increment by 1. Okay, similarly, if okay, keep it here. Okay, LXI B 2425. Okay, DCXB halt. Initially in register pair BC, the address is 2425H. Okay, after this instruction, it become 2424H because it decremented this address, not the content of this address. Okay, is it clear? These two instructions? Yes or no? LXIH 2423 INXH, it means this instruction will increment the 16-bit value, address will increment by 1. Okay, it become 2424. Okay, so after in this instructions, value of H is 24, value of L is 23. So after this instruction, value of H is remain same, but value of H will change to 24. Okay, बोलो नहीं समझ में आया तो I will repeat once again. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, अभी मान लो कि ओके मान लो मुझे नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज को स्टोर करना है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू हमने स्टोर किया 2400 पे, मान लो 6. अब हाउ टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एड्रेस 2401 पे कैसे आएंगे? बाय यूजिंग INX. ओके, 2402 पे कैसे आएंगे? बाय यूजिंग दिस INX. देन 2403 like that. So it will increment the address. Okay, now I am giving one example. Okay, क्या दे? ठीक है, we have LXIH 3246, any random value, any random address. LXI B 6708. Okay, INR B, INR M at 3246 we have 08. Okay, then INX B DCXH DCRC DCRL, then halt. This is your program. अगर आप समझे हो, you can easily answer all the value of all the registers. Okay, आपको बताना क्या है? After this execution of this instruction, what is the value of register B, what is the value of register C, what is the value for M, okay, what is the new address, okay, for this one, and what is the value of L. Okay, note down if you have pen and paper with you, note down this one and tell me the answer.
सर 608 6708 के अंदर कौन सा वैल्यू होगा सर?
6708 कौन सा वैल्यू होगा मतलब?
तो हम INR B कर रहे हैं ना सर, तो 6708 के अंदर जो वैल्यू स्टोर होगा उसको हम इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे ना सर.
नहीं, फिर नहीं समझे हो आप, फिर नहीं समझे हो. INR B means what? बोलो हर्ष. INR B means what? Forget about the
मेमोरी की इंक्रीमेंट.
not memory increment. Memory, then in this case what will happen? INXB. This I after this instruction LXIB, what is the value of B? Tell me. Value of B is what? 67? Yes or no? C is 08.
यस सर.
After this instruction, value of H is 32. Value of L is 46. Okay, you have to perform INR B. So क्या होगा? Value of B after this instruction, it become 68.
68.
INR M. M is 08. So this INR M, it become
9.
09. Okay, INX B.
Yes.
INX B, it means abhi initially it is 6708. It become 6709, the new address. Then DCXH, DCXH value is 3246. It become 3245, right? DCRC value of C is 08 here, so it becomes 07. Okay, DCRL value of L is 46. It become 45. Okay, this is the answer. Try to do by yourself. Verify the answer. या अगर कोई confusion है, you feel free to ask. All of you, try to do this. Okay, 49 students are there. I will take the attendance now. Okay. Abhik Sen.
Yes, sir.
Abhik.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Tanisha.
Yes, sir.
Harshvardhan Agrawal.
Yes sir.
Farooq.
Yes, sir.
Ankush. Ankush.
सर उसको मैसेज आया सर, उसने माइक काम नहीं किया.
Okay. Siddhant.
Yes, sir.
Shashwat.
Yes, sir.
Michael. Mannu Michael. Absent. Jeet. Absent. Harshvardhan. Absent. Priyans. Priyans.
Sir.
Present, sir.
Prahlad,
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, absent. Ankesh. Okay, till now we have seen the arithmetic and the data transfer. Okay, two types of instructions are there. Two more types of instructions like logical, not two, not three, branch instructions and control. Okay, in the logical we have instructions related with and, or, rotate, compare. Okay, then complement. Okay, this I will explain in the next class. Okay, and in between, okay, Ankush is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ankush, can you make the logical instructions, then branch instructions, all these I will explain in the next class. Okay. Any confusion till now? And now onwards, attendance is mandatory. Okay. So be careful. Branch instruction is there. Okay, jump instruction. I will explain each instruction with the proper example. Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So you all can